Right now, this type of object-talking videos are going viral on the internet, whether it's in terms of views or followers. In this video, I'm going to share a complete tutorial on exactly how to make these types of videos. Look, this niche is completely fresh and the competition is very low. You can say the iron is hot, just strike the hammer. Well, you can check out these fresh accounts as proof. Look at their followers and their views. Okay, so to make this type of video, we need to follow a total of 4 steps. Step 1. Prompt generation. Technically speaking, this is our most important step. Do not skip this. Look, for a perfect output, having a perfect prompt is very necessary. And to get a perfect prompt in ChatGPT, you need to communicate with it properly. But so that you don't have to put in that much effort, start with ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs, search for Object Talk, and click Start Chat. It will give text-to-image prompts based on an idea. For example, I typed in pizza, and in the results, you can see we've received the image prompt for pizza, the visual prompt for VO 3.0, and the dialogue. Down below, you can see pizza-related items, cheese grater, and 2 or 3 more related ones have appeared. Step 2. Image generation. Copy one of the prompts and go to leonardo.ai. Head over to the Image tab and click Create Image. Select Dream 4.5. Paste the prompt, set the size to 9:16 and the resolution to large. Click Generate. You will get images like this. Once done, you can see the output quality. Download it by clicking the Download button. Step 3. Video generation. After that, open Google Flow and sign up or log in. Then click New Project. After clicking New Project, you'll see options. Then click the plus icon, click Upload, and upload the image we generated from leonardo.ai. After selecting the image, click on Landscape and change it to Portrait. Then click Save. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy script from below the image prompt. Then go back to Flow, paste them into the prompt box. After pasting, select the model as VO 3.1 fast. Select Portrait format, and I keep the output at 2. You can increase it if you want. Then hit the arrow icon. Flow will start generating your video. After successful processing, our first video is ready. Let me play it for you once.
I'm not junk food, I'm edible architecture. Carbs for energy, tomatoes for lycopene, cheese for calcium. You call it a cheat meal.
Okay, you can see the output. It's totally mind-blowing. If you want custom dialogues in your videos, you can write them manually. I'm using the default dialogues provided by ChatGPT here. Now to download the video in high quality, click the download icon, then click Upscale 1080p. The video will be upscaled and downloaded automatically. Let me quickly generate the remaining videos too. Okay, as you can see in the folder, I've generated a total of 4 videos. Now open any editing software and upload all 4 videos. Apply fade in and fade out transition to all of them. And that's it. Your high-quality videos are ready. Let me play the final output for you.
I'm not junk food, I'm edible architecture. Carbs for energy, tomatoes for lycopene, cheese for calcium. You call it a cheat meal. You want that perfect melt? I sacrifice blocks daily for your flavor obsession. Respect the shred day. Precision makes the magic. I'm the foundation of flavor. Cooked down, concentrated, rich in antioxidants. Without me, you're just toasted bread with ambition. You think flavor happens by accident? I engineer crisp crust chemistry at 450 degrees. Maillard reaction, that's my signature move.
Look, making this type of video is very simple. You just need to know the right method. In the description, you'll find chat links sorted by category. Now go generate these types of videos, upload them, and earn followers and money. If you face any issues during generation, comment and let me know. I'll definitely give you the solution. See you all in the next video.